Check it. We're diving in the sea. Automate the game, keep your comments clean. Facebook ads got the filters on lock. ChatGPT is the key, we're about to rock. New comment drops, we check if it's spam. If it is, it's gone like it's part of a scam. But if it's real, we reply in style. Save the data to sheets, yeah, we're going the extra mile. Filter reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Facebook ads, keep us spam free. Pabbly connect and ChatGPT is the key. Running ads on Facebook, getting comments fast. We need to sort the good from the bad, make it last. Using Pabbly Connect, the integration's tight. Trigger when it happens, do it day and night. Connect your Facebook, get the page linked up. And then access needed, no need to block. Post a comment, get it processed quick. Map it to the flow, automation slick. Filter reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Facebook ads, keep us spam free. Pabbly Connect and ChatGPT is the key. Spam detected, delete it right away. Genuine comments, got replies to say. Details in the sheets, keeping track of it all. This automation flow, it's the future, y'all. Runner steps in, branches out the way. Genuine or spam, we know what to say. Additionally run, keep the workflow clean. This automation process is a digital dream. A PI connected prompts all set. ChatGPT answers, no need to fret. Create your free account, start to integrate. Pabbly Connect and ChatGPT, we dominate. Filter reply, save it to the sheets.